How to buy LESTER token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. To be able to buy this token, make sure to check their accounts and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And as you can see, this token came under the base network. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. After that, select the base network from here, click on this plus icon, now paste the token address here. And as you can see, this is it. Just click on plus icon here. Now after that, just go back and now scroll down until you find your token. So as you can see, this is it, the LESTER token. Click on it. And after that, click on swap and now switch it from here. In the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you receive. And after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LESTER token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.